Prepare creamy froth with ease, simple to clean thanks to a removable 35-ounce water tank. Enjoy delicious espresso made your way with this DeLonghi pump espresso and cappuccino maker. You can choose to brew ground espresso or E.S.E pods with the unique patented dual filter holder. The choice is yours, making your espresso truly made to order. You can enjoy espresso or cappuccino at the perfect temperature with 2 separate thermostats. If you prefer cappuccino, you'll enjoy using the easy-to-use swivel jet frother, which makes perfect drinks every time. Other highlights include self-priming operation to eliminate pesky startup preparation, removable water tank, and drip tray, and a durable, high-quality stainless steel boiler to ensure many years of delicious espresso. Authentic Italian espresso. Fast swivel jet frother. Easily prepare latte and cappuccino with the swivel jet frother. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Create a rich, creamy froth for perfect drinks every time. Patented dual-function filter holder with the EC155's dual-function filter holder. You can use ground coffee as normal, or convenient coffee pods for faster preparation. It makes espresso and cappuccino preparation quick and easy. Self-priming operation. Eliminate annoying startup preparation with the EC155 self-priming operation. Get to your coffee faster, with less waiting around for the element and boiler to reach the correct temperature. Easy to clean. The EC155 is simple to clean with a removable 35-ounce water tank with indicator light and a removable drip tray. It's easy to disassemble, clean, and reassemble to get back to making drinks quickly. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Every cup to your liking. 15 bar professional pressure assures quality results every time. And adjustable controls allow you to make modifications for your taste preferences. Number 2. Brew like a pro. Whatever your preference, single or double espresso, cappuccino, or latte, the machine brews authentic barista quality beverages just like you enjoy at your favorite coffee house. Number 3. Your foam, your way. A manual frother mixes steam and milk to create a rich, creamy froth for evenly textured drinks, just the way you like them. Number 4. 1 espresso shot or 2. The 3-in-1 filter holder. Included with the unit, has a holder for 1 espresso shot, a holder for 2 shots, and 1 for an easy serve espresso pod, whatever your preference. Number 5. No waiting between cups. The advanced cappuccino system maintains the optimal temperature so you can brew cup after cup instantly. Number 6. Sleek space-saving design. With a sleek profile, compact design, and narrow footprint, each model fits beautifully on a kitchen countertop without taking up too much space. Number 7. Convenient water tank. The water tank is simple to remove, refill, and reattach, and the water level is easily visible to eliminate the guesswork. Number 8. Easy to clean. Removable water tank and drip tray make for easy cleanup, and the parts are dishwasher safe. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.